son of a swooped and stopped on our ass.
Come on.
Nope, don't. We gotta pull over. We gotta pull over and call the cops. We gotta pull over, dude.
He's not. He's running. Just get his license number.
I am.
417 BBC.
Let me take a video.
You need to pull over, you're in the highway.
But still, everything is super simple, and this lasted even 22 years later. It may look bad, it may not feel very good, but there's no doubt that it's durable. Now, you could get the Excursion in a bench seat. One thing I really do like about the interior of the Excursion, because it's based on a vehicle that was used for work, it's got a very complicated setup. So, you need to know the seat, but I'm really sure to shut up. Wait for it. There it goes. Get all the way back out there, but then over here on the left, you have wow, Jesus Christ, bro, are you serious? Why are you speeding, bro? Look at your car. Why the f are you speeding? Why the f are you speeding? Look at this shit, bro. Look at your car. Look at your car. You piece of shit. You just braked. Look at this. Wow. Look at this shit, bro. Are you kidding me? I got a dash cam on you, bro. I got a dash cam on you, bro. You brake checked my ass, bro. What is wrong with you? Are you kidding me, bro? Bro, you had no signal on. I got you on dash cam, bro. Bro, you had no signal back there. Now you do. After I hit you and you brake checked me, bro. I got a dash cam, bro. I got a dash cam. All right, then give me your insurance then. I'll give you mine.
You didn't have your turn sitting on when you cut in front of me.
Bro, you didn't cut. You weren't even there, bro. You're speeding. I took both ways, bro. Alright, bro. Well, the good thing is we didn't crash back there, but you brake checked me here, so it didn't even matter.
Yeah, I did break it.
Yeah.
I'm perfect.
Oh,
You cut in front of me.
Doesn't matter. You just
I don't care.
Okay. Alright, give me your insurance. I'm not giving you mine. Bro. You brake checked me, motherfucker.
Yeah, after you cut me off, you dumb.
Don't get loud with me.
I can get loud as I can get it loud as I want.
I'm gonna call the cops then.
Go ahead,
Call the cops then, bro.
I'm trying to look up my information.
Never gonna change. Still I'm gonna go lie my name. Still with the people that big for the game. I know they feeling the pressure. How you finesse, full price, I don't wanna last. Back of them choppers if they try to test us. Now you know ain't no rest in the back. You want smoke, I got back to it. I know
Yo, my God, bro.
You don't want me to one flex on that thing and get turned to a t-shirt. Double back on your block, ain't no
Of course he's on it,
They think that we be hurt. And she know I came from the bottom, so she gotta give me the top first. If I call you my brother, I got
Of course I
to making that shit work.
Police reported that.
Call you my brother.
Come on. Come on.
He's just staring. Slow down. Slow down, please. Got a problem?
Call the cops.
I'm trying. I don't know how to use your phone. Get away from him, please.
911.
I don't know how.
God damn it! Ah! You! Pull over! Pull over! What's with the brake check? You're on camera! You're on camera!
When I can't see the f***ing windshield wipers, you mother.
You're on camera!
Speed limit is
Don't
45 and
don't brake
35.
check me, prick!
Good.
Don't brake check me! You're on camera!
Good. Right today. He pulled in front of me and then stopped. That was a hard hit too.
I'm assuming the same.
We'll see. I mean, we're still a couple days off, so things can change.
Better get the milk and bread.
Lock file.
Red show again.
It's funny though, because yesterday as we were at Winter's dance class, they were talking about.
As it goes up the coast, like Philadelphia, New York, Boston, they're talking about maybe a foot.
Yeah, because it's going to turn into like a nor'easter, they were saying. So that's the plan, so just be ready for that. Now, also topping the news, we've got those 8,500 troops on standby ready to head to Europe as the press reports that Ukraine's leader to reassure the nation that a third invasion from Russia is not
do you not know the goddamn law?
I'm going 70 miles an hour and it's 60. The shipment of American military equipment to shore up their defenses.
I got you.
It has masked an estimated order that led NATO to President Joe Biden said Russia, quote, continues to build forces along Ukraine's border, and an attack would be the largest invasion since World War II. He also added,
We have no intention of putting American forces or NATO forces in Ukraine.
Yeah, so it's not in Ukraine because they are not a part of NATO, but to back other NATO forces.